Today you will be cooked 4 different kind of meal and then plus 1 dessert. Totally there are 5 meals. This is fried onion with the garlic onion. You can do by 2 hands like this. This one is for pressing. Okay.
Garlic. C'est ça? Bah oui, carrément.
Okay, right now you need to grate the palm sugar first. Chlorophyll for making a green color, and then they make the taste as well. We make like a juice first, that lid, so you can put the lid inside. Okay, and then you add water.
Amazing!
Is it good? Ah.
You get A+.
Love it.
I do like this. About 1 spoon, and I turn the pan. It's bubble.
Okay.
We need to flip it one more time. Okay. Okay. And then we need to fold this on both sides and roll it. As a name, Dadar Gulung is mean rolling crepe. Okay, ready.
Little trap.
This is all so good. Favorite?
Chicken. Look at that palm sugar.
It's tasty.
It's like a coconut brown sugar filling.
So good.
You're in heaven.